Sand Bali, Trilogy Run Asia, Manila Leg 1.
Hi!
Uy, diyan kayo. So guys, yun na nga, dito na kami. Waiting na kami para mag-start yung running. So maraming kalahok, maraming sumali. Nasa 11,000 yung kalahok ngayon. Ayan. So very exciting talagang second running natin to. First running natin is doon tayo nag-run sa ASICS ngayon. Sunday Trilogy naman tayo. Sponsored by Sunday Trilogy. Ayan. Napakaganda, napakasaya dito. Talagang halos mga nagmatakbo dito, iba-iba. Mga malulupit na magagaling talaga sa mga takbuhan. So ayan si Jun Aladano.
Hi guys, so we're ready to run for 16 kilometers today! Yes sir!
Yeah, mga excited. Ito yung birthday girl.
Ay, dahil 6
Birthday po niya ngayon, talagang exciting. And a beautiful wife. Ayan. Ito kamay lang. Kamay Masalta ka ng konti.
First time, 10K. Oh, wow!
Partner Rosemary.
Hello po. Ready na mga gel. Ready na
Ilang kilometer
kumapa.
ka yan?
16 kilometers.
Grabe din na tayo. Tayo 10 kilometers, sila 16. Exciting to guys. kilometer?
Rio Incorporated. Thank you very much everyone for your support.
Ano? Ilang kilometer? 10. Nakasam. Ilan? Ilang kilometer? Ma'am Jo, kaway. Guys, warm up muna, warm up. Warm up. Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-warm up. So ready to punta na kami sa starting. Punta na kami sa starting. Start na po guys. Alright. Okay yun. Basta hindi malaglag. Kaway dito, kaway. guys, nag-start na yung running. Bilis. Video. Kaway.
Yung mga na-overtake.
Ikot na po sila. Ikot na. Paikot.
Una na.
Oo. Ayan, nakakailang kilometer pa lang po kami guys.
Kasi magluwag tayo.
Buna!
Oh, wow!
Ano? 6 kilometers pa kami. Go runners! Ayun, nakalabas ko yung phone. Ayan, so guys, 7.5 na kami kilometers. Kaya pa? Kaya pa daw. 7.5 kilometers. Inabot na kami ng liwanag. Inabot na po kami ng liwanag sa kanan namin. Ayan, ako na uli. So guys, malapit na kayo matapos. Inabutan na kami ng liwanag gawa nung sa kasama ko. Napakabilis kasi ng kasama ko. What? Kaya mabilis ka tumakbo. Mabilis ka tumakbo. Inabutan na kami ng liwanag. Sobrang bilis niya. Diba? Hindi natin pwedeng iwan eh. Baka mabulaan siya eh. Sige, habol ako sa'yo. guys. Tapos na. Ah. Si Aperon, grabe. Ito po ay naka 160 kilometers. Plus.
Malakas kumain.
Picture tayo, picture. Tatry. Medyo. Grabe, sama-sama dito yung mga kilometer. 10 lang.
Tingnan lang, ayos ah.
Ay, dyan o. Ayun o. Kausap niya yun o. Ed.
Nakatapos yan.
Nakatapos. Canister na malaki.
Oh, wow!
Couple seconds more for you to drop off your raffle stubs. Again, for those of you as well who didn't get the chance to get your medals, kindly contact, of course. Again, this is for the awards night, for the special awards night for TRA 2024. For those of you that weren't able to get your medals, please contact, of course, the Run a Rio team to make sure that you get those. Because sayang, di ba, Riza, kinumpleto mo for 2K, all of those legs. And we got a championship belt also, if I remember correctly, from last year.
Sayang, you weren't able to join us for the awards night, but nevertheless, you're still able to get your medal. And, you know, just to put it out there, that's another thing that makes the Trilogy Run